Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily see old call history on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Phone app. If you can't find this app, you can search for that icon all over your home screens, and if you even can't find it on your other home screens, you can swipe down at any of your home screens and then just search for phone in that way, and then you will be able to tap at that icon to open up Phone app. And first off, right here, you should tap where it says Recents. That shows you all your recent calls, and you can easily sort these calls by missed. So you can just hit right here at missed to filter just missed calls, or you can hit at all to show up all your recent calls, and you can scroll down. Maybe you want to search for calls in some specific date, so right here next to contact name you can check the date where you got or missed the call, and also you can hit at that eye icon next to contact's name, and then you can interact with that contact. You can message them, you can call them, you can even scroll down to the bottom and then block this contact. You can do all that stuff with any of contacts. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.